Welcome up in Santa Rosa, Sonoma County, where the local time here is 9:05 a.m. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain turned off the seatbelt sign. Before leaving the aircraft, please check around your seat and your seat pocket for any personal items that you brought on board. Use caution when opening overhead compartments, as items may have moved during landing. On behalf of the entire crew, we thank you for choosing to fly with us today. It's been a pleasure having you this morning, and we look forward to seeing you in the near future. Thank you and have a great day. Ladies and gentlemen, if you have any extra trash around your seat and in your seat pocket, please make it all the way to the front while deplaning. We will have a bag ready for you. Thank you for your assistance.